Good morning. I'm back in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania today at Penmar. I had been waiting for my bubble wrap order to arrive, and just came to terms that it wasn't coming. So I had to go to Walmart, so why not pop in Penmar while I'm at it? Let's go in and see what we can find. I desperately need stuff for the Pottery train and the Trippyville train, and of course my weekly variety sale, which I'm not desperate for. Hopefully we find some good stuff. Now, I will say the train to Trippyville and the Pottery train have already happened. I've been pretty good about posting things before they happen, but every once in a while, this is all contemporary, every once in a while it happens, so. But last time I was here, I got a bunch of good Christmas stuff. See one of those jewelry cases peeking out here. That's pretty. 12 bucks. I've had a lot of those recently. I have a couple in an upcoming sale. This is fun. I think I looked at this last time. Oh, it's got a sale tag now. Wait, $4? Why is it all of a sudden $4? Oh, for $4, we'll take that. I'm kind of out of focus. It's a little dark back here. I'm like, is it broken? I don't understand. Cat mug. Sold. And what about back here? Frog bowl. Yeah, pottery's not really my thing, although I will say I haven't found much, but what I have found is pretty good. Ooh, I win, Dagny. There's something kind of off about this Santa face. Wait, is it that it's too good to be true? Oh man, that's fantastic. It's only $5. I thought it was gonna be a repop, but it isn't. Hold on, let me pull the string and see if it works. So, unfortunately, the music box doesn't work, but he's kind of fabulous. So for $5, I still feel like it's great wall decor. I'm gonna sneak this in my Christmas sale. That's Wednesday, November 1st at 8 p.m. Eastern. I replaced my usual variety sale with a Christmas sale. Switch it up a little. Now this is one of my favorite vendors. They have 2 booths here. Looks like they just finished rearranging stuff too. These are cool. Kind of a shipping nightmare for myself, but let's see. What's the fish? Ooh, that's pretty. Also can't help but notice this vase. Dude, this is really pretty. It's a nice size, nice design. Custard glass glows. $19. You know me, I'm a cheapo, but that's kind of fantastic. I think I'd do all right on that, especially because it's signed. And the other thing that sticks out to me is this little elephant oil lamp. That is so cute. I kind of want to get that. $12. I think I can make a couple bucks off of it. All right, let's see, 20% off. A lot of stuff that's close. Whoa. That's cool. I know it's contemporary, but still. It's like $9.60. Look at this thing. That's kind of cool too. It's a little different. Kind of looks pumpkin-esque. I'm tempted to pick it up. Well, this is a new development. All right, well, first of all, I'm buying this. This is amazing. I've been hyping up the Christmas event I've been planning, which is Christmas cat themed, live in New Orleans. I can't believe that's only $5. Now, I see the price. $9, we'll take that. That's really epic. This literally must have just been unpacked. She's still got her stuff here. I also see Holt Howard, $2. Why is it $2? Oh, it's because it's cracked. I kind of feel like for $2, somebody can Love this still. In good condition. Those usually sell for around 50 for me. Let's see, what else do we have? This cute little plastic wreath, $5. 12. I think I'm just gonna look at everything. It's a little pack right now. Let's see. 16. The hobbyist Christmas mugs. These usually do pretty well. 16. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little Santa bell for the pair. 14. Look at this planter guy. I wish I wasn't so short sometimes. Sometimes being short is awesome, but sometimes being short kind of sucks. Let's see. I'm like out of breath now. 24. Whoa, left in. No chase. That's funny. That's a really good one. Kind of hard to find. Wow, I'm like super overwhelmed by everything happening here. Look at that. These must have been manufactured by different people. Okay, so these mini mugs are 19. I'm gonna let those go. That's about what I get for those after fees, more or less. Santa Claus calls. That's so cute. Fun. I'm pretty distracted right now. There's a lot. Santa can. Ooh, hello. So that's a really good set too. 28. That's totally fair. There's still a little room in that, just not as much as I'd like. Good grief. And this has my attention. This is pretty fantastic. $12. I think that's safe. I don't like to spend that much on stuff, but I've never seen it, and I love the candy canes. If only I was like a little bit taller to grab it. Yeah, that's fantastic. I think I'll do well on that. Almost missed her. Oh, that's a really good price. Well, that was a little unexpected. Found some great stuff. I'm like really into this candy cane. I probably could have picked up more, but I'm trying to keep it under wraps here. I still haven't found anything that I'm actually looking for. Typical. Ghost planter. I think it's new, but it's so fantastic. $12. Taiwan. Oh, that's so fun. I think I'm gonna get that. Ghost stuff usually does pretty good. What's happening here? Glass turtle. This is kind of neat. I think it's, yeah, it's definitely repop, but still cool. Oh my gosh, I love the Ohio art. Oh, that's so sweet. Is that Ohio art? Did I make that up? No, J. Chen. So cute. Look at this mobile. Oh my gosh. That is too sweet. Oh my gosh. I could totally... Oh, I feel bad leaving that. It's so fairly priced. I'm just nervous about... Oh, the shipping. This is so cute. So here's something a little unexpected from me. Check out these Department 56 snowmen. These are so cute. I know they're new, but some of this Department 56 stuff resells for pretty good money. That is so freaking cute. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I don't think I would lose money on these, even though it's not my real customer. I will say though, the expressions on these are everything, and they're snowmen. I just don't feel comfortable really spending that much on it. If it was a little bit less, I probably would. Especially, I mean, look at this guy's face. It's so fun. But I'm gonna stay on track. Keep going. Pottery cat. $30. This is a fun vase. Ah! Does that say $100? This is another one of those booths where you just never know what you're gonna find. And here we have some giant stuffed deer. It's a really big size. That one's got serious floppy neck and some staining going on. Made in Japan. $20, so 16. That's probably pretty safe, but more than I'd like to have invested. Ah! Yeah, they're a little unruly, aren't they? There's so many booths that just weren't here like a couple weeks ago. It feels kind of like Twilight Zone-y. $12 Elephant Bank. That's cute. Yeah, I swear, like, none of this was here. This is like the third or fourth booth I've passed that wasn't here. What is this? Croque la Moussa. This is so weird. 60% off. I would say the graphics a little off to be. I wish he would. I thought they were like worms at first, to be honest. If it was just like a man dancing with worms, I feel like I could get behind that. Dang, I was really hoping that was going to be signed. I would totally justify paying up for that a little bit if it was. I love the cats. Look at this shoe. Oh, that's so cool. Dude, I feel like I should get this for $10. Buster Brown, that's cool. What is this? Vintage Facet Germany advertising. Facet. Fascinating. It's really strange. It's got a certain je ne sais quoi about it, I must say. I would probably look it up if it was in a little bit better condition. Speaking of Train to Trippyville, how about this slightly haunted Edward Mobley cat? It looks like the elves sold, which I'm not surprised by. Kind of wish I had picked them up, even though they were expensive. Those large elf cooking salt and pepper shakers. So cool. Well, this has my attention. I saw this, and then I saw 50% off on top. Should I get that for $5? It's got a nick at the bottom, but still, I mean, it's just so dang heavy. Is that really $5? That's kind of nuts. Yeah, this one's $4. It's really cheap. This thing is kind of intriguing to me, though. It's got a certain look to it. It's probably contemporary for $5. Oh, it's just so much. It's so much weight. So much weight. All right, let me stop with that and go back to focusing on trying to get out of here, because now that I have bubble wrap, I have to wrap the rest of my packages. I know this booth has pretty good prices. I saw this from afar. It's a little celluloid Santa and reindeer ornament. It's missing its little hook. Who cares? It's only $1. I'll take that. The musical notes are kind of cool too. Whoa. Hello, lamp. $49. That seems really reasonable. That's very cool. Wow, this is so pretty. Dude, epic truck. Well, that was kind of a steal at $69. I'm totally utilizing this guy's incredible, I think it's a 55 Ford. Oh, sick. Anyway, I spent $69 in there. I was really excited about it until I came outside and saw this truck. I'm way more excited about this. This thing's amazing.